Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super drink at home to prevent constipation. I'm going to use this superfruit called Kiwi, which is packed with vitamin C and some fresh milk. Cut and slice your kiwi fruits. Peel them. I'm using 2 kiwi fruits today, just for one person. Slice them into pieces. Okay, put them into your blender. Add half a cup of milk. Blend. Make sure that you crush the kiwi seeds very well. Enjoy. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you very much.